But that didn't last very long. No! Okay. Where am I on the scoreboard? Make it inside. Jump. Whoa. Wait, what is the disaster this time?
Are you alright? I don't know where I am. I don't know what's going on. I think I lost something.
Alright. I run over here.
It's okay. I'm looking for someone too. Hey, we can look together.
What do you have to say?
I'm Dory. I'm Nemo. Nemo? That's a nice name.
That doesn't help me very much.
Dad! Wait a minute. Is it your dad or my dad? My dad. Got it. Dad! You're hungry anyway. Dad! Dad! Oh. Sil. Shane. Sydney. E. Sherman 42.
Hopefully it's the flood one. Since I'm already up here. Crazy. Wait. Oh Jesus. I'm gonna stay here. God. No. Don't. No. Oh, I was so good. One away. One away. What? Oh Jesus. It's Tetris. Tetris is coming to get us. How any of these weapons will help me? I have no idea. Yeah, I'll live. Oh my god, no. Everybody find cover. It's raining potatoes. It's raining potatoes. And potatoes. What the heck? Yeah, I lived again. I'm not ready. Not ready. No. Well. Where are these kamikaze? Oh. Jesus, I can see him. I think. Maybe no one will die. No one dies? Okay. Six. 610. Still don't have enough for anything, dude. Wait, I didn't even see what it was. No! Don't die. Don't let me die. Dude, the thing over there is destroyed. Yeah. Yeah. Left to right. What? No. No. Check me, wall. Check me, wall. Nope. That was a needle. Yeah, well, no one survived. He just wiped everyone off the map. Map just changed. Why are we under the sea? Recording a video.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
I'm not ready. I want for my life. I want to know what these say. Well, how did I'm actually to get up there then?
And he was 150 years old. Yep. Sandy Plankton. Do you think I would cross the entire ocean and not know as much as Sandy Plankton? He was 150.
How do I get up there?
Time for school! Time for school!
Jason. Oh, Jesus. No! Leave me alone! Dang, I died.
So just then, the sea cucumber looks over the mollusk and says, with fronds like these, who needs anemones?
Whoa, Nemo, who's this?
Exchange student. I'm from the EAC, kids.
Sweet. Seriously, Marty, did you really do all the things you say you did?
Pardon me?
You love? Oh, we just want to make sure that our newest man back on home safe.
Thanks, guys.
We'll see you next week.
Oh, Jesus.
For the program, Dory. Remember, fish are friends.
Not food. Bye.
That's kind of scary.
Next up, Dolly.
Yeah, I got up you.
Have fun!
Oh, Mr. Ray, wait, I've got something. Love you, Dad.
I love you too, son.
Yeah, I'm a Wookiee survival.
Sorry. Now go have an adventure.
Flying noobs? Well,
Bye, son.
Maybe should post some more videos this week. Because the last time I posted a video was like a month ago.
easy, I guess.
I don't understand it. Here this thing has a lifetime.
I don't think anyone died.
I've seen the tank myself. Take it,
Not the
put 'em in bags and
whale, I think.
where's the fish go?
That's up there. Walls. What? Jesus, no. No. One pushing.
Now what?
I'm standing on people.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere
I'm not ready.
on me,
Terminator.
my lover stands on golden sand watches the
Well,
ships
oh, it's over. What the heck?
somewhere beyond
Jesus, one. Zigzag. Do the zigzag. Only way you survive is if you zig and zag. Throw them off your track. These prices are outrageous. A what? No! 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 I failed. I had no idea what it is. I'm guessing it's something anime related. It sounded anime related. And I forgot to start my timer, but I don't care. But good for you, Scotty brother. Goody two shoes. Oh, Jesus. No! My thing I was standing on. Where'd it go? On the bridge. I want on a towel. That's what I want. Can I get it on? Can I get in the towel? No, no, Wham.
Opening up to land. I was gonna join you.
I'm not on Minecraft.
What are you playing?
Roblox. Survive the disaster.
I'll play.
Recording.
I'll play.
If it's not full. I'm gonna zoom in my person. There. I don't want to chat with you. Hopefully I can live. If it's flood, I will survive. I will survive. Copyright. Epic fail katana. It's an epic fail, right? So